Okay, so welcome to the Flutter Master Classes. So this will be a challenge-driven training program. So will not be means in pure. We will not giving you any tutorials or anything, but will giving you challenges and guiding you to how to solve those challenges. Okay, so this will be a 30 days training, and where we'll be having four challenges, out of which three will be given from our side and one will be from your side, and we'll be working broadly on five technologies. And yes, Tushar Oja is our Flutter developer, and he will be training you and guiding you throughout the program. So let me introduce you about myself. My name is Mayank Bansal and I am founder of Start with Genesis. So what is Start with Genesis? Start with Genesis is a platform where you can find freelance projects, mentor driven internship and training program, and even placements also. So right now we are having only freelance projects and mentor driven internship and training program. So in future maybe we'll introduce placements also. So what here you can find means I just show you. Just give me a minute. This is, yeah, this is our website where you can make a profile, and in the profile section you can update your details like your education detail, your training, what training and courses you have done. And yeah, this is account detail and this is not mandatory. This is when you are working with us on any projects. So you can update your skills also, you can update your projects also. And yeah, this is company project. This is what the project that you have done with us. And here you can find your account details like your basic account means basic information, your preferences, what you're preferring. Are you a UX UI developer or a web developer, or maybe your first preference will be a mobile app developer? So you can update here. So okay, so how making this profile can affect you finding the internships? So what we do, we shortlist student according to their preferences, their skill level, and most important their projects, what projects they have done. So yeah, just like I have done a dating app named Tinder, so I can update it over there. Okay, so let's not waste time over here and just move to the PPT of the training program. Okay, so what is Flutter? So basically I will say only one thing. Flutter is something from which you can make application for Android, for iOS, and also for the web from using the same code. Okay, and rest you can read from the official documentation of Flutter. So how, what is this Flutter masterclass? So it is a free training program on Flutter where we'll be integrating technologies like Firebase, REST API, GraphQL API, and Razorpay. And maybe there will not Razorpay and other payment gateway options, but we'll have a payment gateway integration with you guys. And this will be, as I said, that this will be a challenge driven training program where a student will be given weekly challenges along with guidance, along with the walkthroughs and UI design. And in the week in the throughout the week they have to work on the challenges. And in the meantime, if they stuck somewhere, so your first priority should be to Google that. Means as you can see, there are many blogs and forums that have lots of issues and errors with any technology, so they can solve you in better way. But if still you are facing any specific issue with the challenges, so you can talk to our guide Tushar on Discord channel. So the submission will be at the last of the week, and you will be judged on the basis of submission and creativity. Means by means of submission, I mean to say the code quality and what the UI design you have opted. Means are you stick with the UI design that is provided with us, or you are going to make something different? And yeah, there if your, and you will be allotted scores on the basis of your submission. And if the scores are below the threshold, means below our threshold limits, so you may be eliminated from the program. So as I said that the training will have three mini challenges and one major challenges. So basically the three mini challenges will be given by us, and the one challenge, the major challenge, will be suggested from your side. So we will discuss about it later on. So yeah, so we will be working on broadly on five technology. One is obviously Flutter, and the second is Firebase, third one is REST API, and then GraphQL APIs, and then Razorpay or any other payment gateway. So the question is, how will be training you or how will be guiding you? Okay, so means in the start of the week, means just like for example today, so we'll be giving you challenge, we'll be giving you some resources or video tutorials or maybe some walkthrough, and we'll be sharing design, UI design, means Adobe XD design, and also giving you a quick demonstrations. So after that you have to read the resources what is provided, and just see the UI design and then start working on the challenges. So in the meantime, if you are stuck somewhere, so we give you full support on Discord channel, and at the end of week, or you can say at the deadline, before the deadline, you have to submit the challenge, and the trainer will evaluate your challenge, the submission, and will provide you a marks. And also trainer, if it is, if we found it necessary, so trainer can give you a walkthrough about the solution, about the correct solution if you are not able to do that. And also, okay, so this process will be repeated 3 times, means for the week 1, week 2, and week 3. And for the fourth week, we means combining all the 3 challenges, you have to submit a app idea, means a basic idea about the fourth challenge you are going to complete. Means for that you have to decide the UI design from your own, decide the architecture from your own, decide the use cases from your own, what you are going to build. But make sure that you will be using all the 3 challenges in this. Yeah, so these are the challenges. The first challenge is authentication challenge. We'll be giving you challenge to make an authentication application. And the second word is product catalog. So here we'll be using GraphQL APIs. And the third one is payment gateway integration. So okay, and maybe if we have enough time, so we can have one optional challenge, that is two-factor authentication. And as I said, the fourth one will be a grand challenge, that is from your side. So what will be, means how you will be benefited from this training program? As you can say, it's nothing to discuss, that you will be gaining some more skills, so definitely you will be benefited. Along with that, we will be providing you support on Discord channel, so that is a part of benefit. You can ask your doubts and all those things. And basically you will be having four new Flutter application on your GitHub repository within a month even. And we will be giving you a certificate of completion for all those who completed the training program with us, and so that you can share it with your, means on your LinkedIn connections. And even will be, means if you are having a start with Genesis profile and updated all the projects and all these, so we'll be giving you some internship and placement opportunities also. And for the top performer, we'll be giving him a badges on start with Genesis profile also, and also a letter of recommendation and endorsement on LinkedIn profile. So these are the benefits. Yeah, this is our team. And you can contact us using uh, this, and even you can follow us on LinkedIn also. So yeah, the intro is